Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we are diving into the best ham radio walkie-talkie that will keep you connected in any situation. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, an outdoor adventurer, or a communication professional, this device could be the perfect addition to your gear. So, stay with us for all the details. Let's get started. Product features. Aviation frequency band support. This unique feature allows users to receive communication information from aircraft and tower transmissions, making it ideal for aviation enthusiasts, pilots, and air traffic monitors who need real-time updates. This feature enhances safety and awareness, making it a must-have for those in aviation-related fields. Voice-activated transmission function. With hands-free communication, you can use this radio without pressing the PTT button, making it ideal for driving, operating machinery, or any hands-free task. It reduces the need for manual operation, enhancing convenience in various professional settings. Type-C charging. Enjoy the convenience of high-speed charging, ensuring your device is always powered up when needed. The Type-C port allows for universal compatibility, making it easy to charge with modern adapters and power banks. Long standby time. With an impressive 3-5 days of standby time, you don't have to worry about frequent recharges, making it perfect for long trips, outdoor expeditions, or emergency preparedness. Whether you're on an extended adventure or working long shifts, this feature ensures uninterrupted communication. High-fidelity sound. Equipped with high-quality speakers, the RT900 delivers powerful, clear, and highly restored sound texture, ensuring no miscommunication. Whether you're in a noisy environment or dealing with weak signals, the enhanced audio clarity ensures every message is heard accurately. Large LCD display. The multi-display screen shows channel number, frequency, and channel name, making it easy to navigate and operate. The bright, high-resolution screen enhances readability even in low-light conditions, improving usability during night operations or in dimly lit areas. Pros. Aviation frequency support. Great for monitoring aircraft communications. Hands-free communication. Voice-activated transmission function allows easy hands-free use. Fast charging. Type-C port enables quick and convenient charging. Long battery life. Stays powered for 3-5 days on standby. Clear audio. High-fidelity speaker ensures loud and crisp sound. Easy-to-read display. LCD screen provides clear channel info. Versatile use. Works well in various communication environments. Cons. Limited range. Not as far-reaching as some high-end ham radios. Requires licensing. Certain frequencies need an amateur radio license. Not waterproof. No clear water resistance rating mentioned. Final thoughts. The Radtel RT900 ham radio walkie-talkie is a feature-packed, reliable communication device that stands out due to its aviation frequency support, hands-free functionality, and long battery life. It's ideal for aviation hobbyists, outdoor enthusiasts, and professionals who need a versatile and easy-to-use walkie-talkie. While it has a few limitations, such as potential range restrictions and the need for a ham radio license, the overall performance and features make it a strong contender in the market. Check the price link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product for more amazing reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.